year 2009. Thereafter promoted as school assistant table during July 2024. You got promotion in Nagarkon. Now you want to change your unit of operation. Allotment. It is further submitted. No. Yes.
Invited K17 grievances working through dead portal in the month of June. Seems like they have submitted grievances working in the month of June, but that's still pending.
Yes. It is further submitted. The pursuant to the information of state of Telangana and in view of organization of local cadres, as per GO number 317, in pursuant to the formation of state of Telangana, as per GO number, in pursuant to the formations and as per GO number 317, dated 6/12/2021, the petition was allocated to just to the line of family environment district line, allocated to Nagarkon by proceedings number dated 22/11/2021, based on the last. Agree with the allocation.
Kernel level also they have accepted it.
Agree with the allocation under the petitioner. This for the subject. After formation of new government in 2003, the further submitted. The government has formed a committee to review the allotment orders issued in terms of GVMS 317/6/2021, and a subcommittee, a cabinet subcommittee was formed. The employees were directed to make application in the grievance cell. Accordingly, the petition was submitted her grievance application before the government on 25/6/2024, along with format. And so far, no action has been taken by the first respondent. Therefore, the petition is directed to the concerned. Same and direction to the first respondent to consult the same and pass application orders. And government could have submitted since the grievance application pending with the government. First respondent, because first respondent will concern pass application orders in advance with last. We regard the submission of the respective parties without going to the directing the first respondent to pass appropriate orders on the representation of the application of the petitioner by reference number TGGR. So TGGR 2020-2024-40402 dated 25/6/2024. Strictly in accordance with the I'll explain the with a period of 3 months. Yes, Monday.
Item 14. Meghna address.
Yes.
Suspension of the ex-manager will. Order of suspension can be considered page 14. 22, 23, 23, 24. Report was submitted by the deputy manager. I personally kindly come to page 17. Two reports submitted by deputy manager recovery. Where I in charge for Jagitar and Silsila. 3 and 4 will find regarding the findings of the deputy manager. They have written manual ledgers verified up to 31/8/23 with sales and
who is appearing for respond? You are.
I'm going to process state. So second
Is there any standing motion?
Ashok Reddy is
Have you served copy? You will pass to an inform you.
Item 15, Jagpad Ramesh.
My lord, in item number 15, Uma Devi takes notice for respondent 2 and 3, my lord.
Yes, Rama.
A 4 weeks time may be granted for getting instructions on filing.
1 minute, Suryanarayan.
This is regarding regularization of services, my lord.
Since 2002, is completed more than 20 years of practice. Now the respondents scheme for regularization as per the eligibility certificate application and it was also the interview page 30.
Yes.
He is appeared before the committee and they are verified certificate and the OP name will be considered for selection. Now the respondents issue selection is 22/10/2024. The name of the petition was not finalized in that list.
Yes.
Only selections of it is only certificate verification and as per the eligibility is entitled to be considered for appointment. So without any reason he was not considered. On inquiry only they are stating that the manager attached a letter to the authorities stating with regard to his conduct. On that ground it appears that his name was not included in the selection list. So let them get instructions why not they are not considered my claim was
Yes, Suryanarayan. Council.
My
Uma
lord.
Devi. Draupadi Narayan. Yes, Rama.
My
Get
lord.
instructions and request to the respondent to get instruction. Post on Thursday in the other motion list.
Much obliged.
Item 16, Mandapati Murali Krishna. Guard Kumar.
Yes.
Orders are at page 14, dated 24 to 2017, but it was served to us on 22/8/2024.
Page 14.
Page 14.
What is the date of impute order?
It is in February 2017, madam.
No.
It was served to me on 22/8/2024. But the matter is like this is a case of termination, madam. Wherein the agreed for the termination order, I have filed a repetition by repetition number 3/19 of 2016. When that is pending, my lord, there was an interim order in that repetition asking to reopen the case by respondent number 3.
What is the WP number?
37719 of 2016. That is at page number 20. The order
Page 20.
page 20. But I got to know about this impugned orders of 2017.
1 minute. That was dismissed.
This is as infractions.
Why infectious?
Well, that is what. The page number 14 order was served to us on that day when this order.
No, have you filed any review in this case?
Well, I am telling you. Well, when the petition was pending 37719 of 2016, there was an interim order in my favor to reopen the case and to rehear. That was done and they passed it again. The same impugned order, original termination order was upheld and that was there. In that matter, I filed an amendment and that my amendment was allowed. Behind my back on that day, when this repetition was dismissed as infractions, on that day I was not available. Matter. The respondents say that matter respondent number 4 has reheard and again it is infractions. That is not this one. That is how this 37719 of 2016 was dismissed. That is the reason why I filed a fresh repetition on this impugned order. When my amendment was there, my lord, in which again the same.
Final review there, not this one. Or of it, whatever you want.
Behind my back, my lord, they conduct very clearly reflects.
Shows the material. Shows the material. Yes.
For a moment, page number 22 is the order to the 37719 of 2016. Para number 3. In which they stated, my lord, that the respondent number 4
Read,
is
sir. Read and make your submissions. What is this?
Para number 3.
No.
Today, the learned counsel representing learned deputy solicitor general produces copy of the order dated 24/2/2017 by so and so proceeding and submits that in compliance of the interim order. Whether this interim order
Read, sir.
in compliance of the interim order, Deputy Inspector General of Police, Odisha Sector CRPF, Bhubaneswar, has reopened the issue of termination order dated 5/8/2016. This was the original termination order.
Read, sir. Read and make your submission show us.
I'm sorry. And examined the same in detail and found no reasons to interfere with the said termination order and upheld the order dated 5/8/2016. He submits that in view of the above order cause, the petition does not stand.
Right.
This is the submission in that petition, and that is how they got it closed. But the interim orders in that petition order.
Show us that document.
Page number 42.
Show us the interim order.
I'm coming to that. Page number 42, my lord, this is the amendment petition.
Show us the interim order.
I'm coming to the question.
Show us that.
The interim order, the relevant portion was extracted at paragraph number 3 at page number 43.
You will not find that copy.
That was the previous petition interim order. But the relevant portion is extracted here. I submit this honorable court on 3/11/2016 ordered as follows to the petition. 46%. Pending further orders, the third respondent may consider reopening the issue of termination of the petitioner by order dated 5/8/2016.
That is 46479 of
That is
2016.
WPMP. By mistake it was written as WPMP.
No, read.
Termination of the petitioner by order.
Pending repetition. Read. Pending further orders.
Pending further orders, the third respondent may consider reopening the issue of termination of the petitioner by order dated 5/8/2016 in terms of clause A of provision.
So in compliance of this order, they are reopened.
They have reopened, upheld the same original termination order of 5/8/2016. That was the case. But that is the reason I have filed this amendment petition. This was done by respondent number 3.
Where is that amendment petition?
But this is the amendment petition that was allowed in the petition 37719 of 2016. These orders of the respondent number 3 are on 28/1/2016.
Sir, now you are challenging which proceeding February 2017.
Currently, I am supposed to challenge only.
Read that. Read that.
This is at page number 14.
Read.
It is intimated that in subject of the writ petition, the honorable court by order dated 3/11/2016 passed the following order. This is the same extract. We are reading the extract, paragraph number 2. In this connection, it is now added that in compliance to the honorable court's order referred above, IGP Odisha Sector CRPF Bhubaneswar, head of department, has reopened the issue of termination order dated 5/8/2016 and examined the same in detail and termination orders of DIG, RTC, CRPF, Rajgir, and upheld the orders of dated 5/8/2016. This was communicated to the petitioner. This is most important. Through the registered post with AD while IGP Odisha Sector order so dated 28/1/2016. This was the original. This was the second order matter passed by respondent number 3 in view of upending the original termination order. Pursuant to the amendment petition that I have filed. Sorry, pursuant to the interim order in the original petition. Accordingly, the case became infructuous, and hence you are requested to take necessary steps for early hearing of the case by way of mentioning this petition and get the writ petition as the court order dated 3/11/2016 has already been complied. But the original writ petition 37719 of 2016, pursuant to the interim orders, respondent number 3 was directed to rehear and reopen the case.
Reopen only.
Reopen the case and consider on bail. But thereafter, my lord, that was heard, orders were passed. Again, I filed an amendment. The writ petition is being adjudicated. While so, my lord, respondent number 4 comes in between, and he passes this order, which was never produced before the court when the writ petition was being adjudicated. On the fateful day, that is on 22/8/2024, when I was not available for argument, they produced this copy, and instead the honorable court stating that this writ has become infructuous. This is not something which has come again. The respondent number 4 has passed the orders of respondent number 3.
What do you say about delay?
There is no delay.
What is the date of impugnment?
This was served to me on
Where
22.
do we get that?
That is the reason I mentioned it in my prayer very explicitly. Otherwise, I was not aware of this. This order passed in 2016.
Yes, who is
I was
appearing?
not aware.
Who is appearing? You are appearing.
Yes.
What do you say?
From Portugal till the Wednesday,
Wednesday, get it. Request for standing counsel. When was it served? Because it was through registered post, it was sent. This was communicated to the petitioner through registered post, dated 28/12/2016.
That was the earlier order passed by the respondent number 3 parent. On that basis, I made an amendment in the writ petition. Pursuant to that, this 2017 orders come out.
Yes. Thursday in the agenda. Yes.
Item 20, V. Narasimha.
Nil award 2019. What is the date of order? Denying back wages. Notice for admission, Mr. Anurag is 2675. Post of 6 weeks.
Item 18, President Punari.
National purpose pertaining to segregation. Whether employment is asking for the examination of our investment. Remember, when is the liquidation make the second respondent?
Yes, sir. Sridhar. Appeal against which order? You are seeking re-medical examination.
Remedial. It's all the same.
Appeal lies to whom? They have made application to MD. They can appeal to the medical board.
This was according to because he
Appeal board is not party here.
when change that in the past.
Yes, Sridhar, is it sufficient? Page 11. What? Where is the medical board report? Yes, Prithviraj.
You know, 15 is the examination person. Then it's hospital.
File an appeal against this order. Then we will dispose of.
This was according because he's getting retired. That is my idea.
Maybe, but as per rules, appeal lies to medical board, appellate medical board. You are not made an application. Make an application, post on Wednesday.
Even to the director, director of security comes.
Thursday, post on Thursday, make it, file an IA, we can.
Next also.
Yes, Thursday in the agenda. Go.
Anyway.
Item 20, Bokara Lokeshwar Reddy.
Yes.
Regulation of the services center. They have been working off since 1998. They were removed. There is the IT. And the award was passed at the previous stage. Here at 2007, they have been working concurrently. Their colleagues have been regularized. But their services are not regularized.
Have you made any representation, seeking regularization?
Regulation is
Make a representation.
But because the colleagues have also mentioned the names and also annexed the numbers of the
Unless you make an application.
because they have been going on for years. So they have to wait for.
No, if you want to make an application, we'll adjourn it. Or otherwise issue notice.
Lord shall make application. Other point is Lord is aware.
Minimum time.
That's why we can
You will order notice.
notice and into services. Because nothing they are getting about 8 very badly amount allowed and.
For admission, GP services, one takes notice and 6 times to file counter. You are working? More than today you are working?
Yes, ma'am. That is nothing, there's no doubt about that. Because in the award, in the person's award, we are working.
Pending litigation. It seems your application. Pending litigation, the response are directed to. Having regard to the submission made by the petitioner. Pending litigation, response are directed to. Pay minimum pay scale to the. minimum time scale, touch the post in terms of the limit of 100 rupees full. You get attached to the post which the petitioners are holding. In terms of the addition of 100 rupees full in state of Punjab or CTC, reported to 17, 1 ACC 148. Post of 6 for one. Yes. Yes.
Item motion is for withdrawal item 21. So, that is.
Yes, dismiss as a wrong. Yes.
This expedition was upon the
Liberty. Have you sought in letter?
Yes,
Yes. What is the part?
Item 22. With abstention.
Yes.
submitted notice. The provisional senior notice, it indicated sale of 40. And the final senior notice, we just have objections. You
Yes.
satisfied the sale of 40. Some other subjected. Basing on the push to 55, but you are not an operator of the earth. So lots of the regret is there. And request for government clear my information. The government issued the senior notice, I can't an appeal also. I'm not seeing the stay of anything.
Yes, what are your restrictions?
Instruction of the table, the letter of appointment was taken. Thereafter, last pair of page.
Yes.
Again, the placement of the petitioner in the provisional significance. Objections were filed by the certain individuals, including third respondent. All objections were examined with reference to rule 2 of the Termination. And it was observed that the placement of the petitioners in the above point is based on his date of promotion in the category of clinical examiner. Even though he completed 2 years of service in the category of assistant probation and excise superintendent on 19/3/2016, and thereby required eligibility for promotion to the post of probation and excise by putting 2 years of service. In this position, the petitioner was superseding 12 assistant probation and excise superintendent whose services regulars prior to 19/3/2016. To be specific, the petitioner can be considered for promotion as prohibition and excise superintendent below all prohibition and excise superintendent who were regularized prior 19/3/2016. As the petitioner completed 2 years service in the category on 18/3/2016. In the reading of the
Notice.
Yes, sir.
Next two are there.
Yes, Prashant. The notice was issued to the petitioner.
No, it says only provisional notice is required.
But subjection was considered by the other
Who
respondent.
yes, without hearing the petitioner. Yes, sir. Earlier conflict for admission to the services 1 day service and 6.25 council. Then council operates for the petition submitted. Where is the seniority?
Provision is at page 43 to 50 note. Starts at 43, page 48.
The answer is to reconsider.
Yes, sir. Yes, 48.
Serial number 14.
When council operates for the question is submitted, that the response are issued. Who is the second respondent?
Government,
First respondent. No, commission.
commission communicated government.
Yes, the response are issued. Provisional senior list, the cadre,
Government memo is ready to read.
provision excess superintendent. Yes, but CR number 130 by 2024 by CPE by A2-1 dated 24/8 common objections. For which some of the candidates have filed objections on considering the same. The place of the petition, where in the petition, place was shown at serial number 40. Thereafter, without issuing any notice to a petitioner, you are now changed to which place? Place was altered without putting notice, altered to 55 without putting notice on the petitioner. On instruction and government will submit, therefore he seeks independence of this court to reconsider the case, to reconsider his placement of his placement in the final senior artist dated 29/10/2022. Then government could have on instruction submitted. Whereas the placement of the petitioner in the final senior artist, certain individuals filed objections. After examining the objections, the place of the petitioner, after examining the objections, the place of the petitioner was altered from 40 to 55. Since it is a provisional senior artist, no notice is required. Altered and fitting the factors without being altered without issuing notice to the petitioner. With regard to submission made to the petitioner, to the pending petition, the response are directed to reconsider. First respondent is directed to reconsider the petitioner's placement in the final senior artist of provision in excess of 19678 by hospital dated 29/10/2022. The fact that his place in the province was altered without putting notice. Therefore, the response is directed to reconsider. Petitioner's placement is the final senior artist dated 29/10/2024 after in accordance with law. Post of 6 weeks.
Item 23, A condition.
Yes, sir.
Because the sub-inspector and special protection force, government taken a decision to revision of the seniority as well as the probation and putting us on notice. This honorable court pleased to direct earlier round of litigation that to put us on notice. Government is affiliate authority to consider the same.
We instructed to the government to give some time of document and court.
Final counter will issue notice to us.
Suspend the interim order.
There is an interim order, same order will continue. Notice for admission, we'll make it absolute. Notice for admission, DB services won't take notice. One or DB services won't take notice and 6 times. There is no.
Because he was the counsel.
CP is also appeared in that case of the particular.
Yes.
Earlier he was the counsel mirror for the respondents here. That's why GB services when appeared and earlier occasion he submitted before the lordship that he has already instructed the government to withdraw the proceedings. That's why he sought time of the 4 weeks. No lordships of pleased to grant. My friend again coming and saying that they are continuing and promoting they are taking steps to making promotions. That's why I am requesting the lordship to suspend this and let them file. I am placing on the lens of the orders of the Sangha court. Similarly, the situation has been taken place in another battalion.
Read the included order.
Included order on the page that is at page 19 to 21.
Yes.
Third paragraph. First paragraph regarding the orders of the Sangha court.
Yes.
Second paragraph is the operating question. Third paragraph.
Remaining the matter to the first respondent, principal secretary, principal of the appeal by giving
By the respondent here.
Yes.
Then they delegated the powers again to the second respondent.
Read third paragraph. Make yourself. Delegated power to the second respondent.
Second respondent, he was put on notice. This is the included order.
Yes.
We have submitted the explanation to that also, but they are taking steps to, implement their own decision.
And what are your challenges?
The decision already been taken. Putting us on notice is the post-decisional hearing. Once the Sangha Group directed the government to do it, government taken a decision to delegate, again delegating the same to the second respondent. That is bad.
Student for admission, duty services, services one takes notice, and 6 time to file for the. Then council of petitioner submit this under report in WP number 5710 of 2023 as categorically directed as despite the orders in WP number 5710 of 2023. Date, what is the date?
Orders dated the under report 9/3/2023.
9/3/2023, wherein this court, this honorable court, remanded the matter to the first respondent, that is Principal Secretary of Government Home Department, to dispose of the appeal filed by the petitioners therein on 7/4/2022 by giving opportunity to the petitioners and also the affected parties, including respondents 3 and 4 therein. The first respondent, instead of passing orders, decided to issue as they delegated powers to third respondent. And the third respondent has issued the impugn proceedings dated RC number A1 by TG SPF by 13 by 2024, dated 10/10/2024. Issued Shokaz, it is Shokaz notice.
This is the notice, this is
Memorandum calling objections from the affected party, from the petitioners and
other individuals.
from the petitioners and as well as other individuals, indicating the, where is the indication of
Indication page 21. First petitioner page serial number 27. Commencement of probation.
What was the indication? You said
Yes. 2000.
what additional?
Yes, minute. This is there are 3 minutes. Page 90. By reference second stated, the Special Chief Secretary Government Home Department requested this department to review the orders issued in so and so, wherein the commencement of the declaration of probation of 15 communities SIs who are appointed again as the DRSIs Board and regularize their services in accordance with the rules. And para 14 of the circular memo dated. The reference third stated, the internal committee was constituted with the PGSPF officers to examine all the promotion orders, probation declaration orders, promotees, SIs promoted, appointed.
Where is the decision?
Decision mirror, this is not kindly come to page 20 mirror.
Yes.
Now the government reference stated, direct the Director General DGSPF to serve a notice as proposed by the committee with the revised date of promotion of the promotees of 2018 batch DRSs and promotees SIs, including respondent, and call for their objections if any and take further necessary action to revise the seniority list in accordance, clarifying the objections if any. And pursuant to the government dictations, they have issued notice stating they want to revise it. They indicated their mind at page first paragraph, page 20.
Yes.
The putting notice mirror, calling objections and entry formality.
Calling objections. Calling objections if any. Huh? The awareness is further submitted. The awareness as well as the incidents of 1 second. The awareness in the impugn person dated 10/10/2024 indicates that they have already taken a decision to review and revise the dates of promotion of the petitioners. And as such, calling for explanation from the petitioners is an empty formality, and the post-decisional hearing is a futile exercise which is contrary to principles of accountability and well-settled law of audio alter party. Then when government places time to file counter, having regard to submission made by respective petitioner, the interim order granted earlier not fair. And this was not fair. The impugn person dated 10/10 to be suspended. The RC number A1 by TG
However, first respondent is also Can take decision not to transfer. That may be.
The decision document brings it to allow the repetition and let it be open for them.
Get instruction, otherwise post next week. Otherwise, what remains in the repetition then?
Now they are seeking also for the first respondent is not issued the notice and they delegated to.
Withdraw this and as per the orders of this court, initiate. Withdraw this
Seeking
one.
also for notification also, that may be observed.
Yes. It is always open to the first respondent to take appropriate steps in accordance with, as per the orders of this court in WP number 5710. Dated, what is the date?
9/3/2020.
9/3/2023. Yes, post office
In accordance with
in accordance with this. We said I am for. Yes, post office 6 weeks. Yes.
God bless you. May I have copy tomorrow?
Yes.
God bless you.
Item 24 and 25. Ramakrishna Kulkarni.
Yes.
Number of principal.
Also, yes.
20.
Both are connected. Yes, sir. What is the matter about? Next case. 25. Ramakrishna Kulkarni. Yes, Chandrasekhar.
Mr. Initially appointed the police constables in 1981. See, we observed in 2000, Railway Police Constables. In 2011, they issued a memo matter which I think report the OA, but that was succeeded in the 2010 matter. Where the government filed a petition that was dismissed and the government went to Supreme Court after that was also dismissed. And we promoted as a constable. Right now, we filed a petition for next to higher post service inspector appointment. Already started on order for the standard become 5/11/2024. Similar same persons before the last. Last petition after your last granted order, but he start time for the 1 week for instruction.
After tomorrow.
Is the final order.
Fine.
5/11/2024
Yes, sir.
is the final order.
Fine. Similar question.
Your services were absorbed in the cadre of constable
Constable.
by counting entire service.
And the service will promoted a constable. We are
Yes, Krishna.
Tomorrow, day after tomorrow.
Why?
similar happening. Nothing.
They have to request of the petitioner, government figure, post on Monday, Wednesday in the same list. Yes.
Okay.
Both cases, 24 and 20.
Item 26. P. Narasimha. K. Raj.
Application to recruitment of post of generalization English medium.
Go through it, he says it is covered by Krishna, it's covered by the order. 5th November 2024. Yes, sir. Narasimha.
Recruitment to post of generalization English medium. In multiple one, they notified 69 vacancies now. The last week I only one
Sir, you belongs to which zone?
I belong to multiple two now.
Oh, yes.
The last week I see page number 31.
Page 31.
Sorry, selection list.
Yes, sir.
The ranking list last week at page number 24.
First you establish your case, then come to that material. What is your case?
The one person belongs to multi-zone 1, selected against multi-zone 2.
Yes.
100% rank. The secured 11th rank.
Is he,
Yes.
are you made him as party?
Only the previous selection, they are not given appointment order.
No.
Not the third party will interest will arise.
What are your instructions?
The person who has been appointed to lordship is a local candidate for lordship.
Not appointed.
One,
Only selection.
1 minute.
He was selected was a local candidate for lordship.
our page number 20, my lordship, multi-zone, select the group of lordship, multi-zone posts. These posts are classified into multi-zone posts and the local reservation is applicable as per chairman.
So, as per your instructions, he is a local candidate.
My lordship and as BCD candidate, and he has been selected for that post. my lordship.
Make him party.
Page number 20 for the kindly section.
No.
Kindly page number 20 for the.
Yes,
Serial number 11.
yes.
The last kindly is belongs to multi-zone 1.
BCA category candidate.
Whole submission. He said to 11th rank. 69 vacancies belongs to 11th.
Narasimha will consider all that after filing of.
One sub, I include the one submission. They notified 69 vacancies.
Yes.
Belongs to kindly.
Yes.
As per GMS number 124, 5% vacancies meant for open. That is non-local or open.
Right.
That is 3 or 4 vacancies. He said to 11th rank, how can we selected against parties? No possibility.
It seems he, as per his instruction, the unofficial response or whoever the selected candidate belongs to BCD.
BCA, not
BCA, BCA.
20 vacancies in multi-zone 2 under OC.
Have you received written instruction?
I have given, just today morning,
Yes,
only I
right.
received a soft copy, my lordship. I have to get the.
Cost to get written instruction.
Yes.
Yes, next.
Item 27 and 28. Rajashri Munchi.
On virtual movements. My lord, this is a civil assistant surgeon, my lord. Your lordship may recollect that the petitioner was allotted to the multi-zone 1. In spite of that, her services were not regularized, my lord. She was joined in the service in 2011 and her allotment to the multi-zone. Am I audible, your lordship?
Yes, yes.
The petitioner was either allotted to AP or not allotted to state of Telangana. Persons page number 3, he submitted a representation to allot in the state of Telangana. That was not forwarded to government or not to 7/5/2024. In the page number 1 of
Read. Use mic. Use mic.
Number 3 was funded to the application of the petitioner.
Yes.
As informed and requested in the office order dated to also, I, Kodimala Usharani CS, PHA, Gangadhar, so also, have not been allotted to either state of Telangana or Andhra Pradesh. I hereby submit my education certificate, service particulars, and request you for allotment to Telangana state.
Yes.
What is in the first page of the subject?
Yes.
Certain medical officers who are not allotted to either state or state of Telangana or Andhra Pradesh during AP reorganization, forwarding of information. In the context for the petitioner of serial number 3.
Read para.
Yes. I have to submit that during the bifurcation of states under AP Reorganization Act 2014, certain civil assistant surgeons who are not exercised their options for allotment of state have not been allotted either state of Telangana or Andhra Pradesh, and their names have been identified and issued a circular to all concerned officers for furnishing their particulars for taking further action in the matter. Accordingly, the following CAs who have not allotted to any state have submitted their representation as follows. First, the petitioner.
Yes.
Last requested to allot the Telangana as he studied from 4th class to 10th class
Yes.
in Telangana.
Yes.
This was forwarded in
Then 7/5.
Yes.
Now we are in December.
Yes.
Then after what happened?
That is still pending with the government of the
May I take your lordship for a moment? Page number 18 of their counter, my lords.
Yes.
So page number 12, my lords.
Yes.
Page number 12 of the counter, my lords. This is dated 7/2/2022, issued by Office of the Director of Public Health and Family Welfare, the same department, my lord.
Collect these papers, come physically and collect these papers and make your submission. It seems your case is pending with the government of Telangana regarding allocation.
Yes, once lordship it is allocated also, the seniority can be fixed also in the state of Telangana.
Where is your allocation proceedings, madam? Show us your allocation proceedings.
My allocation is my writ petition, my lords, my writ petition page number 11, my lords.
Yes.
Page 11 of my writ petition, my lord. I was allotted to the multi-zone on 30/12/2021 by the Department of the Director of Public Health and Public Welfare, my lord. Your lordship may see the employee name Dr. Usha Rani Kodimala, the petitioner. Employee ID, designation civil assistant surgeon, erstwhile local cadre was state and allotted to the new local cadre is multi-zone 1.
Then why you are this application on 14/7/2023?
Your lordship may see page number 18 where the government has again issued a note, a circular asking my particulars, even though I was allotted in 2021, a circular was issued asking the names of the petitioners to be allotted, my lord. Your lordship may see page 18-20 of the counter, my lord. Page 18, my lords.
No, file in the registry council, this file in the registry survey copy on that side.
Your lordship may see for a moment page 18 where my name was showing in the...
Take these copies and make your submission in the post after 2 weeks.
Next week, my lord, I will submit next week because the counseling is ensuing in this one, my lord, to be absorbed into the medical and education. For a moment, let me read the page 12 of the counter, my lord, because the petitioner has completed the specialization. A doctor who has completed the specialization continuing to work in the primary health center.
Here, positive or come physically. Yes, next.
My lord, next week in the adjourned motion list, my lords.
We will pass it over, come physically. We are ready to hear you. Yes, next. Or otherwise, next week, post after 1 week.
Next week in adjourned motion list, my lord, I will submit physically.
No adjourned motion. Delete from the list, post next week. Yes, next.
My lord, let it pass over. I will come. Because there is an urgency, my lord. The counseling is going to happen in this one.
Also,
129. Don't see us.
yes. Yes. Little louder.
RSC requisition, so she is transferred to MPL public RSC. It will be the recording of the requisition.
Yes. The complaints were into notes of this court.
After entry model also the petitioner made a representation
On considering the reference of petitioner dated 26/9/2024, the petitioner was posted State Health Museum, Public Gardens, Hyderabad by petition sourcing number 978 by A4-B by 2024 dated 29/11/2024. And submitted the grievance of the petitioner as redressed. Redressed. The petition became redressed regarding the requested submission. Redressed regarding the requested submission. The petition is paid off. Yes.
Item 30. न्याय preservation.
Yes.
Initially, we appointed a junior assistant and further senior assistant. The juniors are concerned that senior assistant regard right engineer and superintendent. The representation regard directed representation to the office.
The request of petitioner.
Yes, I find again that
What is the IN number?
the petition made a presentation that agreeing to the services in the category.
IN2 is the improved petitioner.
Yes,
You are improving whom?
the district medical evidence officer.
What is your case?
The petition is initially appointed as junior assistant. And further promoted is most of senior assistant.
Yes.
After can you consider the senior as the person
What is your grievance now?
my grievance is seeking promotion to senior assistant under a superintendent most likely I'm not No, my lord, I know that his services were not regular in category. He was not considered for supervisor. As entering with the ruler and seeking to make, let them consider representation.
Where is your representation?
Page 20, my lord.
Who has to consider?
District Fertilization Officer, my lord.
That, you are not paid.
Lord, the oversight, Lord, on the ground that Lord is working in Nagaka district.
Page 20.
Yes, Lord, page 20.
IA2 of 2024 is ordered and the registry is directed to carry out the amendment of past rating. The main case was notice for admission.
One second. Page number 14 of the seniority of this document is issued by the director. Director is the accountant of the then make a representation to the director.
For declaration of provision in the cat of seniority, he is only seeking declaration of provision. Page 20. Pending declaration, the fifth respondent proposed adjustment. Fifth respondent is directed to pass approved orders on the representation of petitioner dated 14/7/2023. Strictly in regards to the I the experience as follows. Post of 6 weeks. I the experience as follows, preferably within a period of 4 weeks. Post of 6 weeks of count. And BP services 1A all respondents except R4 issue notice to R4, person is permitted to take out personal notice to R4 post of 6 weeks. Yes.
Item 31, Naresh Kumar Gari.
Yes. We want to minimize the entire this entire motion list.
In fact, parallel demands also. So that not an waiting for it. Case of when the petitioner was applied in similar case, seeking not regularization.
He is seeking to implement this page 71 procedures. Page 71.
Yes.
He is seeking to implement this one.
Since we have sent a proposal for payment.
1 minute. What is your interview here, madam? Yes.
To implement the order for 9.
Private contest will, as a measure, will say pass approved orders in terms of this. Who has to pass orders? R5. Who is R5? Who has to pass orders, madam? Who is the competent authority? Yes, yes. 1 second. Yes, madam, what are your instructions? One minute. Read your instructions. Yes, yes, 1 minute. Yes, Krishna, you have to answer. Since your questions are not clear, they are.
Usually the last one facility direction is not to the agriculture, business agriculture, so possibly.
Sir, you have to revise this. You have to pass detailed order. Read
An order.
Read next page, page 72. He says district collector Nalgonda has agreed to regularize the period. What is your decision?
This is said entry shall be made in the service register of the individual workplace segment.
Is it that,
The consequential consequences have to be
who has
taken.
to take consequent action?
This regional service and with the
Then we say, enrollment for admission, GP services, home takes notice for 1 to 4. Services 3 takes notice for R5. Pending restriction, the fourth respondent is directed to pass appropriate orders.
third responsibility.
Third respondent is directed.
No, this is signing filter of the bifurcation.
Yes.
Different sign.
Yes. Third and fifth respondents are directed to take consequential action in pursuant to the proceedings number A by 131 by establishment by 2024, dated 9/5/2024. In accordance with law, post of 6 weeks.
Item 32, Balamurli Vice.
Like I submitted an objection. For the petitioners, the motion in the last petition, they are sought for the exception regarding
What is the issue?
issue is the death benefits of the petition number 1 and 2. So petition number 2 is seeking the service on compassionate grounds and his father.
Have you made an application?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Where is your application?
I have registered yesterday, submitted the application. Earlier we had given the representations in bill number 30 to 18.
Where is the registry?
But
Not here. I request the petition post next week.
Item 33 to 35. See Rashtriya Reddy, SKS
No, list.
single list.
Me placement.
Yes.
The position.
Okay.
Item 36, N. Durga Prasad.
Lordship, Kanati Lordship, responding number 4. Lordship, we kindly accommodate some time.
Where is Durga Prasad? Ah.
Requesting 2 days of time allowed. The person
I requested the petition post after 2 weeks. What is the matter?
It's not mentioned to the meeting of second and the fourth just not conclude conduct inquiry.
2 weeks, post after 2 weeks. Yes.
Item 37, Ivan J.
Delete from the list. Yes.
Your Lordship, I am appearing on behalf of the petitioner counsel in this matter.
Yes.
Your Lordship, the grievance is that the petitioner is the meritorious applicant. Your Lordship, she also got allotted with the appointment order, but she did not get post yet, my Lord. It's the grievance. And they sought time for getting instructions in this matter, Your Lordship. I really request Your Lordship to kindly have this matter tomorrow. Will appear physically, my Lords.
No, why you are not appearing? Why is you are not appearing?
My Lords, last occasion some glitch went, therefore we could not appear, my Lords. We seek our apologies on that.
Yes, proceed.
My Lords, I seek tomorrow's time, my Lords will appear physically, my Lords.
Proceed.
My Lords, the difficulty is just that, my Lords,
Yes, what are your instructions?
This was the instruction of there are 6 of
Yes, read.
7.
Yes.
They submitted the petitioner is possessing the basic qualification of Vicharada from Sahitya Sammela Allahabad. Thereafter, it is actually submitted in pursuance of the orders issued by the Honorable Court in in the batch of content, the government has referred the matter Telangana State Council for Higher Education with regard to the validity of certificates of Vidwan Visharada, the Telangana State Council Higher Education, which has appointed an expert committee to study and furnish report. Based on the report of this expert committee, the government school education related another that Hindi Vidwan Madhyamam Visharada course examination conducted by Hindi.
Use the mic so that they can follow.
Sorry.
Maybe read para.
Yes,
Oh, eight. After
it is successful submitted in pursuance of the orders issued by the Honorable High Court in other batches of the government has referred the matter to the Telangana State Council of Higher Education with regard to the validity of the certificates of Vidwan Visharada, etc. The Telangana State Council for Higher Education in turn appointed an expert committee to study and furnish report. Based on the report of the expert committee, the government in memo number dated also ordered that Hindi Vidwan Madhyama Visharada course examination conducted by Hindi Pradhan Sabha Hyderabad or Hindi Sahitya Sammelan Allahabad or Dakshin Bharat Hindi Pradhan Sabha Madras is not equivalent to graduation offered by any university recognized by the University Grants Commission New Delhi. It is submitted the review of the orders issued by the government. The petitioner is not eligible to vote the post of school resident, hence not considered for any course. That is also I have reviewed that 14 level proceedings also. Extra copies also given to 14.
Yes, madam, when the file counter will issue notice. For admission.
Your Lordship, if we could get the instruction copies, my lords, I only request tomorrow's time in this matter.
No. Let the file counter. What is that number? Do you remember? Notice for admission, GP services one takes notice and takes time to file counter. Post after 6 weeks along with is that
31460
31
460.
31460. Yes. Next.
Item 38. Nearly Venkatadri.
Yes, Venkatadri.
Request for the time.
Is the matter good?
The consideration of the representations leadership and the representations. The petitioners. The petitioners have 40% to the post leadership, but the respondent is not selected in leadership. So, kindly, representations are considered leadership. We cancel the person further.